What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Hey, so I just finished wrapping up the review for a sneaker that just dropped this weekend. It was a quick sellout on Sneakers app. I was happy to grab it before, not really having to worry about the Sneakers app, craziness. I still struck out on the Sneakers app, even though I wanted to cop another pair. But I'm grateful to just have one. So, if y'all just know, it's the Air Force One Low Terror Squads. Go ahead and check the video out. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, y'all. Check it out. I think y'all like the materials and stuff that thing's made out of. Give it a good quick look, y'all. So, all right. So, again, I know that I've been on the road, trying to catch back up on videos, and I'm here with another one right now. It's sneaker right now that came out about a week and a half ago, I want to say, maybe 2 weeks, but yeah, maybe it was last weekend that it came out. Was I last weekend? Nah, it wasn't last weekend. Last weekend it was the Red Cements. I want to say it was the weekend before last. Yeah, that's what it was. And so it was 2 weeks. And everybody was definitely sleeping on these sneakers. I didn't get to look at them up close, but I do now. I got them here, and they're calling these the Mocha 2.0s, but of course with a different color blocking. So that already should give you a hint of what I'm about to go over. But let's just get to it, y'all. And the sneaker I'm about to review is right here, y'all. Y'all already know what comes in this style of a box. What silhouette of Jordan comes in this this box right here. So I'm just go ahead and read it out to y'all. All right, it is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Black Metallic Gold Palominos. So it's a size 10, and in hand, ladies and gents, what I've got is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Palominos. And I'll save my opinion after I show y'all the sneakers. So, first of all, there they are, y'all. And first impressions, I like how the brown looks. The brown's it's like a nubuck almost. Yeah, it's like a nubuck maybe type of leather, but not all the way, because of course you can't brush it back and forth. Excuse me. Oh, whoo, what the heck's that? But my dislike of flat looking smooth leather. That's the only gripe I got about this sneaker. Is it a dope colorway silhouette? By far, yes. But for me, that smooth black leather is for me. So it looks like this part of the sneaker, you'll see it up in the up close, this part of the sneaker I would rather have the rest of it look, because this one looks like a little distressed, not so smooth looking, while the whole thing here is definitely smooth looking, y'all. So again, dope colorway, dope. This gold, the metallic gold that they put in there, it really doesn't look like metallic gold, because when you think metallic gold, you think shimmery, type, shiny. But to me, this looks like the yellow from the Pollens, the Air Jordan 1 Pollens. So, again, dope colorway, but you know what? Let me stop. Let me just give y'all the up close and personal look at these, so y'all can give y'all opinions on them, because I tell you what, I'm kind of happy I didn't go for a stock one pair. So, all right, y'all, let's get in front of this camera. Let's give y'all the close look. So, let's get it going. Let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us, we have the Air Jordan 1 High OGs, the Palominos, y'all. And like I said in the beginning of the video, your boy feels some kind of way about the smooth leather. So, but before we get any further, let me just start showing y'all the runaround. See me giving y'all the turnaround of the sneaker. You see right here, right there, the smooth leather right there that your boy does not really, you know, it's not too fond of. Like I was telling y'all, see this part right here, this little distressed right there, I'd rather have this, you know, like that. Or actually, I'd rather they put the leather they put on those Terror Squad Air Force Ones on there, man. Imagine that. Imagine those, you know, that leather quality on this sneaker with this color blocking. Super dope. And actually, if you look at the uppers right here, see that right there? That actually looks like the kind of leather that I would be okay with, you know, on this sneaker to make it even look better, you know, to make it look even better, excuse me. So, but like I said, the brown, I love the way the brown looks. It's kind of like a nubuck type leather, and yeah. So, all right, well, got the sole, typical Air Jordan 1 retro low. Excuse me, retro low. I'm bugging out, ain't y'all? Typical Air Jordan 1 high OG, freaking low on the sole, and and then got, of course, they had to get it in here somehow, y'all. And like I've been saying it all, this year is the year of the sale, so they had to make the sole, the midsole, a little, you know, that sale color that they always like putting on everything. So yeah, but yep, that's what it is. Sale brown and mocha, Palomino, should I say? That's what the name of this brown is. So, all right, let me know in the comment section what y'all thought about the sneaker. Y'all agree with me about the smooth leather? Look at that toe box right there. No likes and no likes. Y'all agree with me about the smooth leather? Y'all agree with me about everything, or you disagree? Let me know in the comment section what y'all feel about the sneaker, y'all. So let's get back in front of this camera, give our final comments and thoughts about the sneaker, and we can take it to the next topic and possibly the next video. All right, y'all, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 1 High OG Palominos. And hey, it's a dope colorway. Again, choice of materials for me make this, well, I'm glad they're in the collection. Just not, hey, okay, it's just another Air Jordan 1 to me. For me, I know a lot of people out there are gonna say, oh, these are dope. You know, they almost look like the mochas, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Hey, for me, I'm not sold on the smooth black. So, all right, y'all, well, let me know in the comment section what y'all thought about the review. Let me know what y'all thought about this sneaker. Is it a cop? Is it a pass? Did you double up? Are you paying resale for this? Did you pay retail for them? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you agree with me or disagree with me. Definitely love opening dialogue up in the comment section. So make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell. Thanks for tuning, staying tuned into the video. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for sticking around. So, all right, well, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the collections for my retro 5s, and maybe I'll get something out to y'all soon. So, all right, well, other than that, it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.